Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Telegram app security. In this video, I will show you on how to turn off passcode security in your Telegram app for easy and normal access to your Telegram app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. After you open up your Telegram app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on settings. Then go ahead and click on privacy and security. Go ahead and click on passcode lock. Enter your passcode. That's going to take you right here. Lastly, go ahead and click on turn off passcode. Turn passcode off. Are you sure you want to disable your passcode? Go ahead and click on turn off. So I'm going to turn off right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Telegram security settings like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.